Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're joined by our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
Great to have you on. So we've got a pretty exciting recipe coming up, and we were talking about this just before we came back on how special this recipe is.
It is. It's a winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair. Each year, the Kansas Soybean Commission sponsors a Heart Healthy Recipe Contest. And so this happens to be recipes from the snack and appetizer division. So they're healthy for us. And I thought, what better way to showcase them than in December when we want some healthy snacks with our recipes that we're doing.
Yeah, to kind of balance out the not so healthy stuff we may be eating around the holidays. So this one's called SoyEasy Creamy and Nutty Snack Dip, and it actually took first place.
It did. And who won it? Can you tell us her name?
Looks like our winner was Denise Pounds out of Hutchinson, Kansas. So this is going to be an exciting, heart-healthy recipe that we've got for us.
And for anyone out there that wants to enter next year, they could start getting their recipes ready now and go to their website. What I have in here is the soy nut butter, and to that I am going to add some honey. I think it's just 1 teaspoon of honey that we're going to add to that, and I'm just going to mix that a little bit just to blend in that honey so that it is kind of creamy there for us. And then there's only 4 ingredients in this recipe, so it's easy to do. We're going to add the soy yogurt. And the little cartons like this, if you find them, we need 1 carton. This is vanilla, and it's about 2/3 cup. But if you enjoy soy yogurt and buy the larger carton, 2/3 cup is what you need.
Okay.
All right, we'll add that in. Thank you for doing that. And the soy yogurt comes in lots of different flavors, but we're using vanilla. And now we just want to mix that together, and that's all there is to this, except for adding the chocolate chips at the end. And you could use this idea that she's done with other kinds of the soy yogurt too.
Okay.
Yeah, and then she has us serving it with the grapes, and we've got cookies there. Now I'll let you sprinkle that in. We've got that, there you go. That is 3 tablespoons of the mini chocolate chips. And there, I'll hold that up so you can see how easy that is. And if it's not quite stirred in, it's kind of fun to see that soy nut butter kind of ribbon through there. Yeah, for that. But you can see here we're serving it with grapes and strawberries. You could do apples and pear slices. We even have some little cookies sticks that you can use it with. And I've put it there with the soy nuts that we did earlier in the month because we have 2 healthy recipes here, great for gift giving and a great treat to have for Santa.
Absolutely. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, you can find more information on this recipe and on the Kansas Soybean Commission on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.